there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to DalePaulSlots. We're going to be playing a little bit of Quick Hits Volcano. See what we can do on this today. Get you centered in there. Played. Max bet is $1.50. It's a 1-cent machine. The volcano's there a while. 3 free games. Five of the quick hits. Anywhere, randomly. Oh, there we go. Nice wilds. Good for $14.75. Five of the quick hits. Anywhere on the screen. Get you $15. 6 of them, $81. 7 of them, $167. 8 of them is $1,895. And if you are so lucky to get 9 quick hits, it is $3,951. We are at the Bay Mills Casino and Resort in beautiful Brimley, Michigan. You ask where Brimley is? Well, it's 1 mile north of the Mackinac Bridge. Sevens there. Uh-oh, we got a shaky going on. What do we got? What do we got? Yes, there we go. Free game. So, help me out, ladies and gentlemen. Here, and here. Well, that's not bad. It's better than 7 or 8 or 10. Go. Keep going. Wasted 7s. $1.15. Not too bad, $18 for a $1.50 bet. $7.50. Back into the free spin. Well, did us good last time. Oh, plus 5 free games. Wild, plus 5 free. 15. 10. 12. 17 free games. That's not too bad. Come on. I'll take free games again. Four left. 3 left. One spin left, ladies and gentlemen. 3 spins. Almost $36. Sweet. This game doesn't allow me to advance them faster than that. I'm sorry about that, but good.
What is this thing?
Okay, I just had someone stop by and was asking about my channel. All the way across. That's not too bad. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's play it down to 250 or the next free spins or a quick hit bonus. Big quick hit bonus. It's got to be 5 or more. Nice. Ooh, that's really nice. 675. Ooh. Sweet. $19. There we go. 4 quick hits. Almost. Take 4 all day long if you want to give them back to back. That's $10. Come on. Oh, thought I had it. Come on, quick hits. There we go. We got it. $17. Even. Okay. Let's do our 3 backup spins. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. Hey, it's a winning video, no question about it, over the $300. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, doesn't cost anything, and may your slot be hot.